Every single person has the ability to manifest anything they want to achieve out of their life. And that's a pretty crazy thought when you think about it. Guys, today I want to talk about the law of attraction and how I've used that law to generate well over $1 million, live in my dream home, and own a supercar at 25 years old. And God, that sounded cliche. Man, I sound like a guru. That is not good. On a serious note though, guys, all of those things are genuine. All those things are real. I've done that at 25 years old. And I would put 90% of my success down to one thing. And that is my mind and my thoughts and practicing the law of attraction. I practiced this thing before I even knew what it was. I didn't even know what the law of attraction was as a term up until about a year ago. And this is not some new thing either. This is something which has been around for centuries. All of the greats have used this law to manifest the life that they want to live. Even Albert Einstein said that your imagination is everything. It's a preview of your life's attractions, okay? And Tom Ford even said that whether you think you can or you can't do something, you are right. And they're both getting to the same thing here. It's the fact that if you believe that you're going to have a certain lifestyle, if you believe that you're going to have a great relationship with someone, if you believe you're going to find your wife or your husband, if you believe that you're going to have the materialistic thing that you want to have, you are going to achieve that thing. I've said this so many times on my channel before. You change your thoughts and you change your world. Man, I can see this video turning into a rant. This is something I am seriously passionate about because it's something that I've practiced since as before I can remember. Throughout my whole life, I have spoken in friendship groups to people and everyone around me. I have always manifested and I believed and visualized the life that I want to have in the future, even when I didn't have it at that time. And that's the crucial thing. Many of you watching this right now will not be in the position that you want to be in. And even myself, although I'm very happy in my life right now, there are things that I want to achieve and there are greater things that I want to get out of my life, and I'm always visualizing. But throughout my life, I have been that guy in the friendship group who has been talking about what I want to have, where I want to be, what my dream is, and I've visualized every single day of my life. And I've daydreamed in school, in university, in everything that I've done. I have thought about where I want to be in my life. And I haven't just thought about it, I have felt it. I've felt how it will feel to be in that position. And the really scary thing to me is that so far, everything has come true. When I was in university, I would draw buildings just like the house that I'm living in right now. My architectural style was so similar to this house right now. And I would visualize myself one day, I used to say, I'm gonna live in a house like that. 3 years after I'm drawing them drawings, I am living in a house like this. And that's not some coincidence. This is because that visualization and your thoughts really do reflect what happens within your life. I genuinely believe that. And science backs the fact that we emit energy. We emit positive energy, we emit negative energy. When we're around negative people, we feel that energy. They leech the life out of us. We don't want to be around that person. We give them an idea and they shoot it down, and it makes us feel horrible because we are literally feeling that energy that they are emitting from their body and from their brain. They are sending signals to us. And the same goes for positive energy. But science actually shows that positive mindset, positive thoughts are almost 100 times more powerful, than negative thoughts. Just imagine how different your life would be if you flipped things on the head and were more positive in your life. And it's not possible to control every single thought that goes through your head. I think we get almost 60,000 thoughts in our minds every single day. You can't possibly control that subconsciously. But what you can control easier is how you feel and how you react to things. For example, if you are in a sales-based business industry and you are cold calling and you're reaching out to companies and you get a rejection, and the majority of people will react in this way. It's natural human nature to react upset, negative when you get a rejection, and you get bummed out. But then you pick up the phone and you jump on a call with another company and you're already in that negative mindset. And so you literally ooze negativity, and that person feels your negativity and you're not gonna close them. Whereas next time you're on a sales call, next time you're in a negative situation which would normally make you feel negative, just subconsciously turn that switch. Remind yourself of this video of the law of attraction and say to yourself, no, I'm going to change my mindset. Okay, that was a learning experience. Let me smile. Let me put some music on. Let me change my mood. And then let me jump onto another call and be in a positive mindset. And the chances are you're going to be way more successful because you're going to ooze positivity and that person is going to feel that positive energy from you. Now, this goes way beyond just positive thinking or mental reinforcement. For those of you that are thinking, oh, Jordan, I already think positively where I can. You can get as deep into this as you like. And to some people, it's intimidating or wacky or out there. But at the end of the day, if you're not in a position that you want to be in, you have nothing to lose by implementing the law of attraction into your life every day from right now. And I'm going to teach you how to in a moment. I've got a worksheet for each and every one of you. But billions and billions of people around the world already implement this and they don't even know it. Whether you call it God or religion or spirituality, we're kind of all bounded by faith, the faith that the universe is connected in some way by something greater than us. And every single thing inside of it is connected as well. Because when you strip it all back, we're just cells, and inside that molecules, and inside that atoms, and inside those atoms we are energy. And energy emits signals, and we are full of energy, and we emit signals and we receive the energy that we put out there. And so we can control that energy and control those signals by our thoughts and by our brain, and hence we can manifest the life that we want to achieve. And any successful person will tell you that. So guys, how do you implement the law of attraction today? Now, the first step you need to take is practicing gratitude. You need to begin to be grateful. Every day, allocate some time to be grateful to the things in your life that you have around you and the position that you are in. And some of you may be not feeling pretty grateful right now because you might be in a pretty shitty situation. You might be in a lot of debt. And believe me, I know how that feels. I've been there. I've been in thousands and thousands and thousands of pounds worth of debt. And I pulled myself out of that debt using this law. I practiced gratitude. I was grateful for the fact that I still had a roof over my head. I was grateful for the fact that I could still eat. I was grateful for the fact that I still had a job and I had opportunity to get myself out of that position. And so I was grateful despite the fact that the majority of the time I was depressed. I spent time and allocated time to still be grateful for the good things that were in my life, no matter how big or small that they are. And so there's a worksheet in the link in the description. The first thing you want to do is fill in the things that you are grateful for right now in your life. Now, these are kind of the main things in your life, the bigger things in your life, whether that's your family, your partner, whether that's a roof over your head, whether that's the food on your table. And you also want to think daily about the things in your life which are maybe smaller, the things that change more regularly. The second thing that you want to do is you want to write down what you actually want. What do you want out of your life? What do you want to achieve? And don't hold back here. Whether that's a Lamborghini, whether that's a holiday home in 5 different countries, whether that's 3 husbands. Morally, that's probably not right. But whatever that may be, write it down. And write it down on the worksheet again. There's room for this on the worksheet. Write down your short and long-term wants. What do you want to achieve? Get them down on paper and think about them. And don't just think about them, because the third step is not just thinking about them, it's feeling them. It's every single morning, allocating time or evening, depending on what kind of person you are. And you can do this all at once. You can do the gratitude and the thinking and feeling, okay? You need to feel what it would be like to have that thing, to be in that situation, to feel what it would be like to own the car of your dreams, for example. And not just feel it, but close your eyes and visualize you are holding the steering wheel right now. Your foot is on the gas and it is sunny and the wind is going through your hair and you've just got this adrenaline rush. And just allow yourself and your mind to feel and experience that, and do that every single day until it becomes an obsession. It's actually proven that in Olympic training and in science that if you rig a athlete up to a neuroscience machine, that if they think and they visualize in their mind the circuit track that they need to run around, their body still triggers the exact same muscles on the exact same moments that they would do if they were on that track, like for like, because your mind doesn't know the difference between reality and what's going on in your head when you convince it that it is real and you allow yourself to feel that thing that you're imagining. That's just absolutely crazy. And so if you do this every single day, you are going to turn that thought into a reality. And another thing on there, just a bonus step, this is something that I did when I launched my business, is I created a mood board. Visualization is extremely powerful. I created a mood board of all of the things that I wanted out of my life. The cars, the house, I even had quotes on there, motivational quotes. And this pin board was on my desk. And so every day when I woke up in the morning and I sat there on my desk, I would look at that and I would spend about 5 minutes just visualizing and allowing myself again to feel that stuff. So every morning what I want you to do, or every evening right now, from now on, I want you to use that worksheet, create a mood board as well if you've got the time. It's really, or not a mood board, sorry, a visual board, a vision board. And allow yourself time every single day to practicing the law of attraction. Wake up and look at your sheet, your worksheet, and practice gratitude. Be grateful for the position you are in right now. And then think, feel, and visualize where you want to be. And once you do that once a day or whatever, it's going to become a habit. And you'll find yourself doing it throughout the day, all day, every day. And that's when it really kicks in. That's when your life truly changes. That's when you literally program your brain. That's when you become and you ooze the things that you want to have in your life. And you will manifest that life. I'm so passionate about this because I have done this. I am testament to it. And I will continue to do it throughout my entire life. I will always visualize and feel what I want to achieve out of my life, and I will manifest it until the day that I die. Change your thoughts and you change your world, guys. I hope this video has been valuable to you. Please do implement it if you're not in the position that you want to be in right now. Do not underestimate the power of your mind and the power of your thoughts and the power of positivity. Think about what you want to achieve, feel what you want to achieve, and then go get it. Achieve it. Guys, please do let me know. Drop me down a comment below with your goals. What do you want to achieve the most? What is on your list? So get that worksheet, write it down, and let me know what are the goals, or maybe your short and your long-term goals. And in fact, what we'll do is I want to jump on a couple of coaching calls with you guys. So write down those goals, and then I will pick 2 people at random next week from there, and I'll do it live on a video from somebody, and I'm going to give a coaching call to 2 people, and we can go through those goals and talk about maybe how I can help you to achieve those goals. So yeah, drop me down a comment below. Let me know. Do you already practice this? Have you already been doing this subconsciously without realizing? Again, this is so much more than just positive thinking and mental reinforcement. This is literally visualizing and feeling what you want to be, or where you want to be, and the situation you want to be in your life. And believe me, you can manifest anything that you want to achieve. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate all of you. I'm sending positive energy all of your ways today whenever you watch this, and I will see you all very, very soon. Of course, if you are not subscribed to me, please subscribe. I've noticed that 75% of the people that watch my videos aren't subscribed to my channel. So if that is you right now, I'm trying to grow the channel, please subscribe, and of course turn your notification bell on so you get notified every time we bring out new videos. That's very important, and I'll speak to you all very, very soon. Cheers, guys.